With this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to log in to Collaborate and use the tools as a virtual classroom participant. So as you'll see, we have a virtual classroom, which is actually just takes you to the Collaborate tool. So we'll click that. Click the session 1, which was provided for you, and then join the session. The first thing you will see are a number of tools at the bottom of the display right along here. In order to speak with the instructor and the other participants, you would need to toggle your audio on. And it's a good idea to not have the audio on unless you're going to speak, so then you would just toggle it off after you spoke. The same holds true with the share video if you want your video to be displayed while you talk. And sometimes that would be a good idea if you are first introducing yourself and then turn the video back off. That eliminates a lot of the bandwidth issues. And if there's a very large class, you might want to use the raise your hand feature. The instructor then will see that on their display, what student has raised their hand, and then the instructor can respond. One of the main things you will be using is right here, the little purple left pointing arrow. This opens the Collaborate panel. Whatever the instructor has for you will be displayed right here. The first thing that you will use, obviously, is this is a chat window. So if you want to say something, type something in the chat window, click the return key. And test student, which is what I logged in on a remote computer, will then display what you said. The instructor can then respond either in the chat window, and you'll see the instructor, which is me, comes up and says, hello, test student. Normally the instructor would probably do that through audio, however. If you want to see who is all in the session, you would click this button and you'll see just the instructor and the test student is in the section. Right now you don't have anything that you can share because you are entered as a participant. However, I can change your status to a presenter. So now you see I have made the test student a presenter. Here's where you can share an application screen or share a particular application and it'll show up. So these are the three options that you would have. If you are going to make a presentation, then you would your instructor would need to have this turned on for you, such as sharing a file or sharing an application. Okay, so let's see how to share an application. So you would come up and click the Share Application screen. You could share your entire screen, or in this case, we're going to share an application window. So right now I have an Excel spreadsheet already opened, and you should already have your file open that you want to share. So I'm going to click it to select and click Share. It now shows up on the student screen. From here you can actually, because it's a live file, you can actually enter data and it shows right up. So you could demonstrate your particular file here to other students or explain it to your instructor. So it's a really nice way of sharing a particular application. So to stop sharing, then you just click Stop Sharing. So with this demonstration, I've showed you how to log into your Collaborate session using it as a virtual classroom, and a little bit about how to use some of the features, including sharing an application. So that's all for now.